State Government of India. India is a vast country with 29 states. It is not possible for the central government to look into the day-to-day functioning of each state. Therefore, state governments are formed to govern the states in an effective manner. The state government generally functions from the state capital of the respective state. For example, the government of Punjab, also known as the state government of Punjab, or locally has the state government has the supreme governing authority of the Indian. A state government makes laws on matters related to the state. The law making body of the state government is called Legislative Assembly or the Vidhan Sabha. The member of this house are called the MLAs. Governor is the head of the state, is appointed by the President of India along with the Chief Minister and Council of Ministers. In the governor ensures that proper governance is carried out in the state. The highest court of justice in the state is the High Court. Elections in India. In India, general election take place every 5 years. The elections are held to choose the leader of both the state government and the central government. For the purpose of election, the country is divided into two different constituencies. Constituency means group of voters in specific area who elect the representative to the legislative assemblies. So voter who are above the age of 18 years cast their votes to choose a leader from the constituencies. These leaders belong to different political parties. These parties are BJP, Congress, Aam Aadmi Party. So the leader with the highest vote become the member of the parliament and the contesting elections for the union government and become a member of legislative assemblies. When contesting elections for the state government, the political party or a combination of parties that is able to win more than half the seats from the government, the next highest voted party become the opposition. The opposition party keep a check on the policies and functions of the ruling party. The Election Commissions of India has been formed the conducting the election process fairly and smoothly within the country. Election Commissioner is the head of the Election Commission. It sets the dates of the elections and give necessary information, lays down the rules to the followed by the candidates, parties and voters, and it also conduct the elections, counts the votes and declare the result of the elections. So all citizens in a democracy have a certain role to play, like a casting a vote in elections, paying taxes on time and being aware about the policies of the government. Students, now we discuss about that the election process in India. Election process in India held every 5 years. The election process is a big affair in India. Let us see the steps involved in the election held every 5 years. In first step, constituencies are formed. Constituencies are area marked for people to elect representatives from. Constituencies vary from state to state. In second point, preparation of nomination list. Electoral rolls are the list of voters in a particular constituencies who plan to vote of their leader. In the third, verification of nomination. Registration of election. Political parties and candidates who wish to stand for elections register themselves with the Election Commission of India. Between these process, political campaigning. Political parties hold elections, campaigns and rallies to attract more voter to vote for them. In fourth process is a polling. On this day, voter cast the vote for their leaders using electronic voting machines. In the fifth point, the counting of votes and declaration of result. The candidates with the most number of votes win the elections.